Mic check 1 2 1 2. Perfect. All right. First of all, what's going on, everybody? The name is Sir Hans Felix. You missed Emmett yesterday. That is not him. We're not the two same black guys. All right, we just got to get that out of the way. Second of all, Man, I did not think everybody else was already on. It's good to see y'all. It's good to see y'all. It's good to see you. What's up, Josh? We got a couple more people in here. All right, let's begin. Let's begin. So, hey, what's going on? What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? We got Meduzi. We got Kalen. What's up? What's up? What's up? It's good to see you guys. All right. Um, Now, the first thing I wanted to take a look at today is, of course, the fundamentals. Shout out to the MacBook. It always makes all these hissing sounds. That's one thing I don't like about MacBooks, man. They make so much noise with the fan. But anyways, so we have Euro news that happened uh during London. Numbers came out for the CPI. Everything came out even. They were anticipating 3.5. 3.5 came out. So because of the fact that the numbers came out even, we should not expect changes for Euro USD. So we might see price go up and sweep maybe yesterday's highs, or we might see price go back to Tuesday's highs. But either way, once we get that sweep, we'll know exactly how the continuation will happen back to the downside. So where my Euro USD trade is at, there's a lot of good moves that happened throughout the week so far. A lot of very beautiful setups, low risk, high reward. You know, where my Euro USD trade is at. Kalen, what's going on? Low Smurf, what's up? What's up? What's up? Okay, Nas 100 traders. Okay, I see you. That's awesome. Okay, so moving back into Forex Factory, we see that the final GDPs came out to 2.1, which is not too good for what was anticipated. All right, for those of you guys who don't really follow fundamentals, the final GDP is the last reported GDP of the quarter. All right, so we are basically on the last week of the third quarter. So next week we start the new quarter. Alrighty. So blessings, blessings, Romaine, blessings. So what I'm anticipating for my entry for Euro USD is if price could actually make it back into yesterday's London maybe, or maybe we're just going to be sweeping Wednesday's New York right there. So I gotta make sure I see enough price action for me to be convinced. Um, but currently, where price is standing at, I like the way they swept on a lower time frame. So it could be that price is literally just going to be reacting off of this high and this low. I don't mind pulling out a fib real quick. Looks like they are actually reacting off the 50%. That to me is a good, it's a good sign. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my first attempt. I'm gonna take my first attempt sell. Okay. So I'm going to attempt at seeing what price does from here. Gonna put my stop loss right at 1.0547. Just please be warned that trading does carry high risk. This is not financial advice. You do uh, agree to trade responsibly, and yeah, there's no there's no blaming here of, oh yeah, this, that, and the third happened. Just make sure you guys are responsible. And let's say if I call out a trade that I'm getting into, make sure that's something that fits right with your trading style. All right, and don't over leverage. Okay, so if you do decide to follow my lead, just make sure you are not gambling. All right, stick to your risk management rules. All right, so my first attempt is very tight, like 10 pips right above. I do feel like maybe price could buy up a little bit higher, so if it does, then I'll know my first attempt is something that I was not having an issue risking. All right, let me check the chat real quick. Okay, Kaylin said I'm in your USD from 1.6556. Nice. Nice. Good morning, Gloria. Good morning. All right, let me take a quick look at the indices. All right, so far we do see that the indices have attempted to try and buy, but they went towards yesterday's New York, and they reacted off of that. This is a good sign for me. It tells me that we still have some more bearish movements today. This is good. This is a good sign. This is a good sign. Now, we did react off of yesterday's low right here, right? And because the numbers came out negative, or a lot less than, well, just a quick 0.1% off of what was anticipated. Now, this is not convincing or confident for the dollar. So, I'm seeing that Nas definitely could continue back down for the day. I want to check the dollar just to see how it's doing. The dollar is still strong. We're still bullish. I remember from the last time we had a conversation in August, we definitely saw the dollar have continuously pushed for the whole month of September. We went from 103 to 106. That's a lot. And so did USDJPY. USDJPY has not stopped pushing. So, like, you're seeing prices is currently reacting off of these lows that they swept, and then now it's looking like price is getting ready to buy. Would be very important to pay attention to how prices is bouncing off this area. If we respect it, we just might get a nice buy opportunity. right, so as for me, I definitely see bullishness for USD/JPY, so I'm also gonna be looking to get into USD/JPY buys. All right, so yep, from the way things are looking, I really do enjoy USD/JPY's price action, and my stop loss is going to be under the sweep at 149.20. So, me also. Alrighty. So, as for me, I do anticipate seeing what the potential can be here, but if price is having a hard time breaking past 149.64, I'll know that they might even sell off a little bit more just to anticipate the next higher high, because we did make a higher low and we pulled back into Wednesday's order block here, which is cool and everything, but uh, unless we break even higher towards 150, then they might be cooling off a little bit up here if they don't break it. All right, so these are the two trades I'm in, UJ and EU. And I'm definitely going to intraday this setup to see over these next 2 to 3 hours how we are doing. All right, so let me check with, let me add in another trading view. Boom. All right, make sure you guys run up the likes and make sure you like and subscribe. All right, make sure you like and subscribe. You don't want to just come in here in a fly by night. You want to pull back in here every time there's a live session, a live stream session. All right. So, if you are currently part of the Discord channel or a part of the Fortunes Funding crew, let me see who's actually a part of the Fortunes Funding crew. I know there's a couple people here that are probably on this live but have no idea how they got here. All right, who's been rocking with Fortunes Funding? How long have you guys been rocking with Fortunes Funding? How long? There we go. There we go. There we go. Man, it's a little chilly. I'm not gonna lie, it's a little chilly. It's a little chilly, man. Drop some fire on the chat. It's a little chilly. Wow, somebody been with Fortune since it started. I like that. 4 months, 6 months. Nice, nice, nice. Since the beta account. Oh, you a old head with Fortunes. You right there with us. You are in Discord. Good, 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 good. Nah, it's actually pretty cool. I'll be right back. And we're back. We're back. It is now 9:23. 9:23. So let me see what's up with the indices. All right. So for one, we already have the sweep of the previous day. All right, that tells me a lot. Tells me a lot. Man, trying to keep up. When I wake up in the morning, it'd be so many messages, and I'd be like, I'm like, was that everybody? Nope. I'm brushing my teeth. It'd be so crazy. All right. All right. So let's check back in here. Let's see what USDJPY is doing. We got Mario. What's up, Mario? Welcome, welcome, welcome. Alrighty. So yeah, when it comes to USDJPY, I'm gonna just wait and see what happens. Um, I'm the type of trader that actually likes when my stop loss gets hit if I wasn't paying attention, because that tells me if I was looking, I'll probably be thinking about it too much, and it also tells me if my risk was if I put in the proper risk, then I should be worried about really what happens, you know. And the third thing that I like about when my stop loss hits is it gives me another chance to reassess and see if this is something I want to get back into, you know. So the stop loss is like an assistant, you know, like a virtual assistant. You don't have to sit here and monitor it if you really don't need to. Once you make the right risks, you just go about your business, you know, especially when you're not trading indices. But since we're about to go check out the indices, let's see. It is 9:26. Yep, it looks like we are heading into uh, at least this imbalance right there. So I am gonna start planning for indices. Sells. I actually do like US 30 better. If we get, oh yeah, 9:26. Sheesh. All right, so I'm taking sells early with US 30, all because I saw price sweep break, and to me that's a retest, a drop base right there. So like if let's say we push a little bit higher for some odd reason, then I'm still not gonna change my bias. I do see them at least selling off. What is this? This is 5 a.m. This is London. All right, so I can see the first target being London right there at 34,484. Let's see what happens. It's about 2 minutes before 2 minutes before market open, US equities market open. So we about to see what happens. Let me see what the show looks like. All right, let me check the chat real quick. Wow, Liquidity Hunter has been in buys since 147 in USDJPY. Let's go, bro. Nice. Hey, that's love. I appreciate you stopping by and, stopping your back testing session, man. Just to come and see what's going on. All right. So, equal highs of 150 for USDJPY as swing trades. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yep. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, the impulse sells definitely look like the first target is going to be London. So, let's see. Huh. I just don't really miss as usual, but let's see. Now, what do we have here? All right, 930's here. Oh yeah. But 930 can be a very funny um, sequence. All right, let's see. Let's see. Oh, I might get my stop loss hit here. My stop loss is literally above that wick right there. But we do see internal structure getting swept. So I want to see if that's the case or if they're just gonna ah they got one of my stop losses. I got two positions open. Yep, so let's see if right here. I just want to see if that's where we're gonna sweep at. What's there? What's here? Stupid ads. Oh, I'm not getting so lucky. Alright. My stop loss got hit again. Well, I had two positions. So, let's see what happens though. Let's see if this is just an internal sweep. I think it was. I think it was. But I'm not jumping back in just yet. I'm gonna give it a little bit of a chance. Let's see what else is going on with Nas. Is it the same thing going on? Oh, no, not at all. Not at all. All right, so let's just wait and see then. If Nas sold off, then wow. Nas sold off. All right, what about you, Jay, here? Still not doing too much just yet. Okay. Check back with US 30. Okay, we could pretty much just be what's it called? Sweeping liquidity. But let's just be very careful about what we see here. All right. So we had an impulsive buy here. Not chasing anything. But I am dropping down to the M1. Oh, what do we have here? Okay. Okay, so what a that was quick. So this was an internal structure buy, and I did not get back in just yet. So waiting to see if there's a potential retracement. Someone says, "Can I take a look at AU?" Don't like AU just yet. I do see that it's at like Asian sessions, but let me check gold. Okay. All right, back to the pairs that I'm paying attention to. Boom, boom, boom. So far on the M15, this is what it's looking like for USD, US 30. What an impulse. Yep. Let's see if we can get a retrace, retrace. Excuse me. Wow. Yeah. My stop loss definitely got hit. Um, definitely got hit. Nothing too crazy though. Nothing too crazy. All right. USD JPY is looking like we are. USD JPY looking like we're still at this low here. Um, yeah. When you see prices not really giving too much just yet, you just gotta start preparing yourself to decide whether you want to get in the trade based off of like the way it looks and your confirmations as well. And UJ just looks like it's about to take off. So I'm going to cost average another position. And my stop loss is going to be about 10 pips right at 149.17. All right, cool. Oh, that's 16 pips. My bad. All right. So and so from the looks of UJ, I'm gonna be giving it a couple hours just to see how it plays out, or if this it stops me out, and it's fine. Okay. Oh, I see somebody said, "Can I look at gold?" I just took a look at gold. I'm not sure if you caught it, or if you just got on, Veronica, but I'll check back in. Looks like gold is just struggling, but also like this 830 was right here. Price kind of consolidated a little bit. We're giving some type of rejections off of these areas here. So best to make your decision based on the rejection that we see here. It is still in a bearish trend, and we just swept the previous day liquidity. So yeah, at this point now, like everything is just looking like they seem low in liquidity, and they're also kind of like stop hunting. So we got to be careful with our attempts, and just make sure you put in a lot size that is reasonable, just to be able to maintain the volatility, or just the fluctuations. Someone said just stop loss hit on gold today, closing now. Yeah, it's a bit of a wick wick centered hour right now, but we can see things becoming a lot more clear. Like for instance, I wouldn't mind putting a stop loss above this wick right here, seeing that is like 943. So like, oh boy. All right, so let's check back in with USDJPY. This is what I was talking about. This is what I was talking about, and this is what I'm talking about for gold. So obviously the volume is now kicking back in, right? And look at that shit. You feel me? They're out of there. So we did see it coming, but they internally swept, and they got out of there within one or two candles. And this was like a this was kind of difficult to decipher. All right, so this is telling me also, like, they're using news. They held it back just a little bit, just a little bit. And we also have some news at 10, pending home sales and whatnot. But yeah, USDJPY is starting to find some momentum, and gold is also looking forward to a continuation, it seems. When I look on the left, I mean, from the way you see this consolidation and since a break and retest, we are still selling. I don't see it not being a sell for gold, you know? So I gotta look on the left here, you know. Gotta go to the higher time frame. Okay, there we go. So what's it looking like on the left? 1865. You know, there was a what's it called? There was a lower high here, so let me use boom. When they're low too fast. All right, so yeah, here we go. If we cost average into this trade, we're just gonna give it time for it to move, but I don't see no wrong in that sell, man. I do not see no wrong in that sell, ladies and gentlemen. Getting in that sell. Oh. All right, and my stop loss is just going to be above at 1878 for good measure. All right. Because if they're going to have to go all the way up there, then that's on them. But 1877.8, you know, 1878, I know that's 50 pips, but I'm using breathing room for a reason. There's no way I could try and get a better entry at this point. And I do see that they are on the verge of continuing. So I'm going to have to make a judgment call like that and let it rock. All right, so when it comes down to putting a higher lot size, putting a higher lot size is important. Not higher lot size, a lower lot size when you have a higher stop loss is important. You know, you just got to make these judgment calls, man. All right. So UJ is moving a little bit, and gold is starting to move as well. Cool. Target 1866, man. 1866. Do I have rules on trading? We could go all day about rules on trading. Of course I have rules. I'm not lawless. I'm not gambling. So yeah, of course I have rules on trading. But that's a big question, Lawrence. It's a big general question. It's a lot I could say about that. It's a lot I could say about that one. All right. Bro, there's an order flow in 1958. It can give some buy reaction from there. I think you meant to say 1858. I know Jaquel is like, Lawless is crazy. Oh man, I can't look at all the pairs, guys. I ain't gonna hold you. I can't be that nice and trying to look at everything at once. Next thing you know, I lose my focus. So, and if gold is selling down, I don't think Euro USD is going up. You're probably looking at the 1 minute time frame right now, and yeah, look at the bigger picture. Let us know what's going on your end, okay? Yeah, report to us instead. I can't be looking at everything and anything at the same time. All right, so that's how we end up losing focus. If you guys want to look at something as well, feel free to drop your analysis on the chat. Maybe we'll click on how much loss you stop trade. 1% for the day sometimes, maybe 2%. It depends on if I am up in profit from the previous trades. Then I have more room to risk. All right. And if you guys are like, if you guys feel like you have a lot of different questions you want to ask me, um, one of these days I'm just gonna like maybe tomorrow or something. You know, if you are in a Discord, I might drop a link maybe this weekend and we could just have a Zoom and you can ask me all the questions you can. You know, I could do like an hour session and then all the Q&As to help you guys out, you know. Within the session, sometimes I know it's a little intimidating. A lot of people are, you know, asking questions and commenting. So, like, if you feel like you want to learn a lot more about me and my trading style, I also have a community. And yeah, just reach out, okay? Do I use any indication? Hmm. Wow. Um, Prashant, how long have you been trading, my brother? Yeah, I use indicators. Yes, I have Discord community as well. Yes, I do. Mm-mm-mm. Do you use indicators, bro? I don't know what happened to Sai Ali. Ask Sai Ali. Well, make sure you also use structure, not just indicators. Because sometimes indicators can't tell what's going on, you know, on a fundamental stance, right? And not every indicator. See, like for instance, we let's just go ahead and make sure everybody sees this here. I had expected Euro USD to sell, but what's happening here? They went to sweep the liquidity up here, and they might even go towards Wednesday's what's it called, London session here. The indicator can't tell you that, you know. The indicator is just helping you, but it's not an end all be all. Even every strategy is not an end all be all. You know, when the markets do what it does, you have to just take the bullet and recalculate. Alrighty. So, what's my best indicator? Um, I have my own indicator, and I use it from time to time, but I don't have a best indicator that I could like, you know, recommend to you. The best indicator is your eyes and understanding the structure, liquidity, and supply and demand. That's it. But if you have an indicator you've been using for 1 year, hey, if it brings profitability for you, then keep using it. But no indicator is going to be perfect. The market seeks liquidity for a reason, right? So it's not always about the indicator. But if you're using Bollinger Bands, obviously you should probably like make sure you are using higher time frames because the indicator does not, the market doesn't respect the Bollinger Band when it's time to move wherever it needs to move, right? And the Bollinger Band adjusts because what the Bollinger Band is just a standard deviation tool of like the 200 moving average. When you go to input, you see 200 MA or whatever the case is. So like that's what indicators do. Uh, I'm a big fan, so you take too long to make it on live on everyone. Indicators do react on past price movements. Yeah, exactly. All right. So let me check in with. Yeah, I actually don't mind my stop loss getting hit with what happened with Euro USD because I know there's a few other areas that it might go. You know, like just because it's buying doesn't mean much. We're still in a selling trend. You know, nothing has changed here with the dollar. So, and the same thing is going on with Euro USD. Like, let's say price doesn't buy, because this price action here usually loses volume and usually has to go look for liquidity. But if it doesn't happen, then we're still in the trade and we were risking accordingly. Stuff like that is what keeps me in trades, or like, helps me to maintain my risk. So like, let's say boom, let's say gold starts buying as well, then it is what it is. Thursday, they've been selling all week, so they might come with some different, different tricks up their sleeves and whatnot. So if that's what happens, I'm not gonna be attempting too many like attempts. I know what time it is, like if it's not playing out, it's not playing out. Meduzi, are you from South Africa? I think I've heard that name before from maybe last week or something. I like the questions. There's no best indicator. I use them from time to time, but damn, my legs, my long legs be needing to move sometimes. Yeah, but yeah, I like price action to just be exactly what it is. I pay attention to the days of the week. I pay attention to the areas of liquidity. I pay attention to the highs that might get taken out. I pay attention to trend. So you gotta be focused on your pair. Good morning, my brother. Yeah, pretty choppy this morning for sure, bro. Yeah, you are from South Africa. I knew it. Hugo. What's up, Hugo? Yeah, it is choppy. It's not smooth, but yep. Whenever it's not smooth, you don't put in too much. You don't force it. But yeah, I do think today might be reversal day. How many pairs do you normally trade or watch? The best ones that have the best setups. Like I usually like trading the majors, because currently this is what's going on with the dollar and everything. Like but all these questions are great, guys. Let me go ahead and start looking at what's going on. We'll do Q&As after. I know once you start, you will not stop. I know it. I know it. I know you guys came searching for answers, but we're also trading, so let's go ahead and pay attention to that. Um. Oh, somebody. Hey, man, Khalidi. Shout out to you. Big up to you. You just finished watching the interview with Alvis. How'd you like it? Kenya, another Kenya, Low Smurf, another guy from Kenya. It's good to have you guys. But to answer your question, Prashant, I like looking at the majors. And of course, even with US 30 or gold, these markets move the same based on equities markets. Um, Sometimes, things change, but for the most part, equities markets do. They invest in equities markets the same because those are the same institutions that are pumping money pumping money into the market. That's why like back back at FOMC last Wednesday, we saw like the same move happened everywhere. We saw price literally just went towards 4 hour highs, swept the liquidity, and started selling. I didn't see it coming like that, but that's what happened. That's good. That's good. That's good. Shout out to you. Shout out to you. All right, we are choppy, and we are retracing. Well, if that is the case, yeah, it's only 10 a.m. Eastern. EJ. Yep, unfortunately, it looks like these guys are selling. Um, they do not have that bullish volume. So I'm closing. I'm closing my UJ, and let me check and see. I am also gonna be closing my gold. The retracements are just too unpleasant. It's 10. Alrighty. I do like USDJPY a lot. I first started with USDJPY, but the reason why is because like right now USDJPY is just following the dollar, right? So I could see it selling right now, but it's selling for a reason. It's probably just gonna sweep the liquidity of last week. So if they're not giving us what we need, it's cool. We know where to catch them. We know where to catch them. We know where to catch them. Yeah, Meduzi, you came with the jokes today, with the speculation. That 100 to $1 million trending flip, huh? You know, every couple of years, that flip, that flip is a thing, right? I say, good luck to them, and congratulations on the flip, on a good flip. Congratulations on a good flip. All right, so yeah, lots of internal structure liquidity hunts. Man, my mustache is really bothering me today. My God. So yeah, when the markets are doing all this, I sit back and chill, bro. I used to be the type of trader that would just like get mad. Yeah. Let me tell you guys something. You take it personal and you are gonna lose your edge. It, your money is too small for you to take it personal, like obviously, you want to pass a challenge, you want to do this, you want to do that. But if the market is not in favorable conditions and that's not your setup, you know how good it feels to just sit back and relax. If they're not giving you what they need to give you, take a chill pill. Like, just observe. Sir, please share your thoughts on correlation with US 30 and Forex pairs, Euro USD and USD JPY. Well, the answer to what you're looking for is the dollar index. That's it. The dollar index, the DXY. You look at the dollar index, it'll tell you all you need to know. You see that? Dollar index, USD JPY. I had a feeling they were gonna sell off. Alright. And so that's the funny thing, right? That is where price swept. Y'all see that? London session did get swept. But all that crap that was done here, if you can't time it or catch it the way it's supposed to be, like, don't even try it. It's gonna bring you too much grief. Yep. It be like that sometimes, man. Woo! Good job, Khalidi Trades. When you sit back at your desk and not taking a trade, that's growth. Yes, sir. The only reason why we revenge trade anyways, because we've most of us are raised to, it's like when your parents is like, if somebody hits you, you hit them back. We're very confrontational. And we feel like somebody robbed your money, so you're running after them to, get your money back. Like somebody took your purse of money, so you're trying to get it back. And you don't want to feel like an hour went by and you sat there like a coward and didn't do anything about it. But that's not what it's supposed to be about, So it's like, long wicks make me fearful. It should. As a man, long wicks should make you fearful. Yeah, I don't participate either when I see those protrusions of wicks. I see those type of wicks, man. I go the other way. Say, hey, you got it, man. You got it. I know what I'm doing. I'm taking a flight down to Florida. It's getting cold up here, man. It's getting kind of cold. Y'all can have that, Jaquel. Y'all can have that. I'm about to catch me a flight. Getting cold up here, boy. Yeah, India. Yeah, that 110 degrees at 5 a.m. Eastern. 5 a.m. 5 a.m. Straight hot. I was just on the phone last night with my boy Stanley. Yeah, it was. I called that man. Had no shirt on. I know it's hot in India if you got no shirt on at night, my boy. I know it gets chilly out in Florida. I'm from Florida. I'm from Palm Beach County. I'm from Palm Beach. My brother actually has a song um on Apple Music. I think it's called Florida Boy. Florida Boy. I'm a Florida boy. Duh. I remember I came back home from Florida. I mean, I came back home from DC when I was at school. And then all of a sudden I see a whole bunch of Wawas. And I'm like, Wawa, what y'all doing out here? I leave for it's 4 something years. I come back. I see a whole bunch of gas stations just like it's 7-Elevens and Wawas. I'm like, dang, that's crazy, Palm Beach. You out here changing on me? What's my biggest loss in the field so far? I stopped counting, bro. It don't even matter anymore. But the biggest loss I took was when a broker took my money. That was my biggest loss. Brokers, I log in on the website one time and it says error 404, page not found. I was like, yeah, they got me. Ah man, I lost 20 pounds. That I had lost 20 pounds after that. Shit was stressful, bro. But I probably done lost in my career. I probably lost 6 figures for sure. For sure, but we've made that back though. That's the only consolation. And I mean, think about it. If I've been trading for 8 years, right? I've definitely broke back even and made profits over my losses. But if you think about every single time you've put some money back into your account, it adds up. It adds up. I'll be looking at my statements and yeah. But now we have, prop firm opportunities. I got automation opportunities. I got PAM services. I'm lit. I'm good. God is great. What's the giveaway conditions? No wonder why y'all been asking some great questions today. I see the question, bro. You don't have to send 17 of the same questions. I see it, bro. I see it. you looking like you're part of a Twitch community. You like chat. I see people on YouTube would be doing that. I see the question. I see the question. Relax. Mr. Anwar Bouali, where are you from, man? That name sounds Indian or Moroccan. So, I'm from Palm Beach. I'm glad I closed my cells. If you guys want to know, hey, I'm getting good with the names and the locations of it. How I know? I'm smart, bro. I'm smart. one time, one time for Morocco, real quick, man. Maroc, Les gens de Maroc. One time for the one time. Yeah, man. If you guys want to, hold on, let me see. Somebody said, try and guess mine. Hanson Oben? Boy, you German as hell, boy. We got damn near the same name. Hanson. Definitely in the European areas. Croatia, you know. Oui, nous sommes les Marocains. Yes, sir. My dad used to have like this affinity for Morocco as well. Like when you guys were lethal in World Cups back in the '60s and the '70s, '80s. You know when Morocco's playing Argentina, shit. What? Oh, wow. Cameroonian. Damn, you got me. You got me, bro. Like Cameroonian. Oh, Cameroon got some beautiful, beautiful, beautiful sisters, man. Shout out to Cameroon. The French speakers, you know, the women are blessed, beyond blessed. Shout out to the motherland, man. Y'all got some crazy good juices too, boy. Y'all be using some. Yeah, boy. I've had some Cameroonian food. Very good food. I am of African descent, of course, but I was born in the island of Haiti. All right, the first black nation that got themselves a W from the Napoleon Army. All right, the first freed black. You know what's up. You know what's up. Bien sûr, je parle français. Bien sûr. Predicting traits and predicting people. You feel me? Leah Gadachu. I hope that's your real name, man. Or Leah. Is that a woman? I think it is, right? Leah. Um, I'll say South Africa. So, Fortunes Funding Global. I want you guys to go on Instagram right now on the latest Fortunes Funding post, and I just want you to flood it and say Fortunes Funding Global. Fortunes Funding Global. And then I will find the person. I will make my decision today on the giveaway winner. Go ahead and flood the hell out of Instagram. Let me see. Fortunes Funding Instagram page. And make sure you tag me. Fortunes Funding Global. Let me see you guys on the last comment. On the last post, let me see you comment and flood that post. Alright? Let's see who's the first person. Yep. So make sure you tag me. Alright. Let's get back on these charts and see what's going on. Oh, I was right, Leah. Ah, I'm too good. I'm too good. I be sniping names and locations. Stop playing with me. Ethiopians are the most beautiful women. Hmm. Yeah, you see what you did? Now everybody's like, what's your IG? What's your IG? Alright. My IG is Sir Hans Felix. But I guess everybody gonna find out. We're gonna find out Leah's IG today, right? Edgar said we don't do Instagram. Edgar be hiding. Este baboso. Edgar es un tigre. Un maldito tigre. my man, my man is incognito. Antoine, what's up, my boy? Love you too, fam. Alright, let's see. Somebody told me yesterday I give off Twitch energy. There we go. Meduzi, yeah. Prashant, I see you. Yes, sir. Fortunes Funding Global. Okay, now I see who Khalidi Trades is. Look at that. Look at that. Done. I see you, bro. John 15:7, Jeremiah 29:11, Psalm 13. Hey, you deserve a follow back, bro. You solid. Alright, I'm gonna follow back everybody who's following me right now. Francois Albornoz. Prashant, I'm following you back. Low Smurf, I'm following you back. Zay Birkin, I'm following you back. Oh, Isaiah. Yo, why that name sound familiar? We just spoke or something, bro? I think I met you before, fam. Yeah, man. I think we saw each other. Ah, okay. Yeah, I think I see why now. Shout out to the youngins, man. Y'all the new generation for sure. Y'all the new generation for showski. All right, let's check and see if there's any opportunities. Uh, so of course, gold came in and swept the liquidity. We all must have been these fuckers, bro. I swear, like they have. If I go down to the M1, I guess that was a break and retest here. Okay, that's cool. I ain't want to sit here and find out though for sure. So let me check back with you, Jaden, if that's what's going on. Okay, so we did sweep London. Is that what happened? Let's see. No. Yeah, kinda. All right. So yeah, so we definitely swept. They went to find premium prices. So now, all right. Here's what I'm gonna do. Now that I'm seeing better, I'm probably gonna go into another account of mine and hold on, where we at? So I guess that means your USD is also looking for yesterday's highs. Yeah, I thought so. Yeah, I thought so. All right, all right, all right. Everybody follow me right now. I'm showing love. So yeah, it definitely looks like price is heading back into yesterday's London for EU. Gold, gold rejected this area here. Damn near looks like a breaker block. My stop loss was 1978, but as they started buying a little bit higher, I chose to close instead. So the trends are continuing, that's for sure. But it's just like it's just something I should make sure I pay attention to as well. So they did not surpass the wick, which was cool, but they definitely changed trends quickly. They changed back down quickly. Um, where do you, fam? I think we met at the summit or something like that. Like I don't know. Did you stop by the Fortunes Funding booth back at the summit, Isaiah? That's probably where I saw you at, fam. Thoughts on GJ? Oh yeah, I don't do the flagpoles, man. Inverted flagpole still bearish. Yeah, it's still bearish for sure. For sure. But the thing is, the problem for me right now is like I wouldn't really chase this at this point, you know? I'd probably just let it. I'll let it rock. All right, so let's go to the higher time frames. The next time I get in US 30, I'll definitely want to see it sweep Wednesday's liquidity. But looking at it, I could probably decide to take a counter trade buy since I see that they are refusing to sell anyway. So if they're not selling, then they buying. All right, so let me start forming a bias since this is what I'm seeing. It is 10:30, which is also good. Is my boy Antoine here? How you looking at the markets today, Twan? For those of you guys who ask me if I use an indicator, that boy said I'm not trading. Fuck that. Oh yeah, thoughts on GJ? Let me check GJ real quick. But yeah, this is the indicator that I use. It helps me to figure out some things for sure. Oh wow, I really could have traded London, huh? Well, GJ definitely looks like they could be buying real soon, or they could probably just buy a little bit and sell off a little bit more. Things are not too clear just yet. It's not too clear just yet, but I do see that they are using this demand zone. So if they're respecting this demand zone, This is a break of structure. So GJ and the crew, thank God I ain't take that buy yet. GJ and the crew definitely looks like they could probably retrace back down to this oh shoot. We could see a nice intraday retracement after this break of structure just happened here. Ooh, could be a low. My Florida office got a better setup. Probably look like oh, Mboji. Yes, sir. Now it makes sense. Oh, now I see why Leah was like, "Oh, Ethiopia has the best, are the most beautiful women." Now I'm making the connection. You ain't slick, man. Shout out to my boy Mboji, man. Emmett, what's up, Brody? Leah out here putting on for Ethiopia. Now I get it. Y'all funny as hell. That's funny. Yo, we out here getting cooked, Emmett. Okay, that's funny. All right, so yes, USD GBP JPY definitely looks like we have we just came from sweeping like the previous day's liquidity, right? And so we definitely could retrace a little bit further back, but as far as GJ goes, we are definitely gonna be heading back into like Wednesday highs and such. And if they can't break higher than that, then they're probably gonna sell back down. But the way price retested 181, that looks solid. That definitely is a demand zone, that a point of interest that we could use maybe in London, or we just gotta follow up and see what happens from here. No follow back for me. Hold on. Okay. Let me see. Uh, where'd you follow me at? Oh, Leah, I see you. Oh, okay, it's nice to meet you. It's nice to meet you. Oh yeah. I see the Ethiopia. I see the Ethiopia. Ethiopia has a big community in Silver Spring, Maryland. DC has a huge Ethiopian community. It's nice to meet you, though. It's nice to meet you, Leah. I heard. I did you watch the? Of course you did. The YouTube that I did with Mboji. He shouted you out and everything. You know. That was dope. That was dope. Hey, this one is taken, guys. All right, that's my brother Mboji's queen. All right, y'all back the hell up. Hey, watch out for these Kenyan demons, okay? these Nigerian Yoruba demons on the chat. Make sure. You stay alert. Watch yourself. They call themselves liquidity hunters. They hunters for sure. Be careful. Be careful. Be careful. All right. These Yoruba demons. They all over. They all over. They will say they're angels, but they not. They not. They not. They really not. All right. So. Oh man. They're gonna be like, if I tell you that I love you, my GJ, baby. Yeah. They're gonna tell you they are the biggest odogu in their village. They are institutional hunters, yes. Hmm. I said, be careful. All right, so it's funny. Somebody had asked me about correlations, right? And you can see how Euro USD is definitely not selling; it's buying back to yesterday's highs. But you go back looking at gold, and they're kind of consolidating, but you see how they're picking up volume to the downside. So it's like you got to be careful with correlations because every pair is doing their thing, and at the same time, they can correlate, right? So that's why you always have to pay attention to what's the most important, which is the trend. All right. So like when prices retracing to make a lower high, just follow it up. You know, we did say that gold was going to be heading down to the 1860s. This is the time. I remember early I said I was not trying to get in because I missed out on the entry. So the only time I would actually want to get in for this sell is if we get a retracement again. Um, and if not, I might have to let this one run because what can I do, right? If I put my stop loss behind 1972, that would probably be the only decision to make, but that would probably make me feel like I'm chasing the trade, So I'd rather just see if a retest is going on. If not, then it is what it is, dog. I'll probably check in with GJ later. Or we'll see. Let me check in UJ. Let's see what UJ is doing. Someone said I don't understand English. Funny has no language. Funny has no language, yo. Funny is funny. That's why even a baby, when something funny happens, they be like, I'd be like, damn, baby, what you know about what I'm talking about? You don't even speak English yet. Do I trade AU? Yeah, fam, of course I trade AU. Let me see what's up. Let me see what's up with AU. We got an internal structured shift. And Tuesday's highs is approaching fast. That's crazy. Yep, that's what we got right now. The destination is unclear, but the liquidity areas from Monday and Tuesday definitely look like they are the targets. Let me jump into the 4-hour structure. Yeah, what if we came all the way back to last Friday's highs for AU? That would be very interesting. But for sure, what I know is prices swept 4-hour liquidity, and so that usually tells me prices going back to like a significant short-term high. So that's my thought on AU. As you guys can see, I have backgrounds in different cultures and influences. I'm not just a Caribbean man, like I have ties, with Hispanic backgrounds, and you know, I'm a very cultured person, so That's why, like, I know, I know I can relate with a lot of people in the world. You know, one of my favorite artists, Burna Boy, said in one of his best albums, there was this snippet, and then I think it was his mom that said that. And at the last song, it says, I think what Burner Boy wants to let everybody know is before you were anything else, you were African. And that speaks volume, you know, like you can't just stick to just one culture. You got to understand everybody and where you came from. So, you know, I'm big on that. I'm big on that. And, you know, it's Fortunes Funding Global, so we got to make sure we connect with the world. All right. Now, I know some of you guys are waiting to figure out who the winner is of today's live trading session. This one's gonna be tough. I'm not gonna lie. This one's gonna be tough. Woo! It's gonna be tough. This is a tough one. But you know who I'm gonna give this to? I'm gonna pick out two people. And this person, I've been watching them post and repost and repost and repost all week. And it would be a disservice if I did not mention this person. I appreciate you. Top Season FX, bro. You are one of my biggest supporters and the biggest supporters of Fortunes Funding. Congratulations, bro. You deserve your win today, man. Clap it up for Top Season FX on Instagram. Give him a follow as well. Give him a follow as well. Top SZN underscore FX. Let me go ahead and write that down. Top SZN underscore FX. Congratulations, my boy. I've been watching you for a whole entire 2 weeks, bro. You've been faithfully reposting our content, bro. Like, that's love. I appreciate that. I appreciate that. And because we don't usually have too many women traders on the live trading session, I'm gonna have to give it out to my sis Leah Getachew. Man, congratulations, congratulations. Big shout out to you. Big shout out to Ethiopia. You know what I'm saying? I gotta give it. Gotta give it up. Gotta give it up. Gotta give it up. All right. So, reach out to me, and then I'll tell you how to go about getting your 25K giveaway. All right. I see my Haitians in the building. I can't do that today. I gotta shout everybody who shows love and shows consistent support to Fortunes, man. I like that type of stuff, you know? It's good. Give my boy Top Season FX a follow, man. Give that boy some love. And I'm watching Khalidi trades too. I'm watching everybody. Like, I can see who's building a relationship with the brand and are very like what's the word? Engaging. I love that. Much love to you guys. Low Smurf, I see you too, you know. I see you too, bro. You know, not everybody will be able to get a giveaway, but keep showing up, be a part of the community. You just never know. Just never know. Congratulations to you guys. Better luck next time for sure. I saw a lot of great names today, man. We got Bhuvanesh, you know, Prashant, you know, I see you guys, you know, Lawrence, I see you, bro. Paul is always there, supporting. You know, I make sure I shout out your names, guys, because in the back of my mind, I get used to those names, and that's how you build a relationship. So, Isaiah, I see you, fam. You know, like it's good to connect, guys. It's good to connect. All right. Who else said that? Let's go, man. I'll be proposed. Hey, chill, Khalidi. Relax, bro. Relax, my boy. You might get liquidity chopped, man. So the criteria is to show love. I know energy always. I can tell energy, you know, and I see a lot of you guys show a lot of love, but you know, Some people just show a little more love. All right, that's the criteria. Like the criteria is love. Love is the biggest energy in the universe. All right, so it's good to meet a lot of you guys today as well. Anwar, c'est un plaisir. C'est un plaisir. I said your name right. Hey, that's a W right there. No one does it the first time. See, man, I've been catching nothing but W's today, except for the charts. But I've been catching some W's today with building a relationship with the crew. I like that. I like that. I like that. So, we called out gold, honestly, but it's the retracement I didn't like. We called out US 30. We said it was gonna hit London's liquidity, but it was the retracement that I didn't like. So it happens. It really happens, man. You can call the signal and still not be able to get it right, to the T. So it'd be like that, man. It'd be like that. I keep it real. I keep it true for with myself. Honestly, man, it's like, yeah. All right. So now that we got the giveaway out the way, let's go ahead and have some family time. I see. Um, yes, sir, Isaiah. You know it, bro. Got through solid. All right. Fortunes Funding competition. I think US 30 will grab yesterday's high. I think so too, bro. I think so too. I think so too. Let me see. Luis, que lo que hombre? What's up? What's up? What's up? Damn, little Smurf, you took the sell on gold. Good shit. Good shit. Fortune favors the bold, baby. All right. Big respect. Big respect. Appreciate that. Appreciate that. Appreciate that. All right. Make sure you guys are subscribed to the YouTube, though. Make sure you subscribe to YouTube. All right. So to the winners of today's giveaway, don't forget to reach out to me, okay? Don't forget to reach out to me. We can definitely see US 30. We did say it's gonna buy. Remember, I said that. We saw the imbalance or the fair value gap just got touched. If I drop down to the M1, look at that shit right there, boy. Beautiful. Beautiful. So because of all of this, it's 1050. Yo, hold up. Yo, I'm FaceTiming James Storms right now. Let's see if he's available. Oh shit, I be forgetting. It's a beautiful man. Oh shit. I'm about to troll James real quick, man. He gotta pick up though. Damn. Yesterday. No, I'm not gonna say it yet. Ah, shit. Let me put my phone off of do not disturb in case he calls. Oh man. Damn. All right. I'm about to cut my mustache, bruh. Shit getting ridiculous out here. Oh, boy. Damn. Get a beard, they said. It will be fun, they said. All right. Make sure you guys are taking advantage of the 12.5% off promo, man. Come on. you guys, look. These opportunities, man, you got to take advantage of them, man. You got to take advantage of them. You see, GJ is trying to find volume, but I'm definitely gonna pull up in London tonight. Yo, them weeks be going by way too fast. You telling me today is really Thursday, bro? Sheesh. The weeks be going by fast, man. The weeks go by so fast. Oh, we got CPI. We got CPI in London. Not London, but Asia for JPYs. Okay. And it's the last. Oh, shoot. It's the last couple days of the month. Oh, shoot. Okay. That's definitely something to pay attention to. Now I see why, like, US 30 is probably not going to be selling anymore from here. Let's go ahead and pay attention. Yeah. Yeah. Definitely buying back. Definitely buying back. Okay, so yeah, like after price just swept this joint right here, we definitely buying back. And so it is 1054. If we could just have price pull back into this area right here, I would definitely be the one taking buys. Um and yeah, I guess I'll be looking for an opportunity for sure. Friday could break structure, and yeah, so we'll see what happens, man. We'll see what happens. Definitely, we'll see what happens. But as for me, I've used my attempts for the day, and I just can't do extra anything at this point. So we just gonna cool it. We're gonna see how price behaves. Guys, I always want to emphasize this: like, trade responsibly. And if you made a mistake, just learn from it. This journey is continuous. This journey is definitely not easy, but it's continuous. And if you guys want to get to know me more, feel free to reach out. It gets pretty overwhelming, but I try my best. I don't like being no superstar. I like to just chill. All right. Some people probably wondering why is his number of following not like 20K, 50K. Cause sometimes, man, I just like to chill. I hate waking up and being flooded with 1,700 messages. Something it gets annoying, but it is what it is, you know. When you're not looking for fame, it's different. It's different. But I like how UJ is moving. I'm definitely gonna be putting in. Let me use my other account real quick, bro. Cause I see a swing trading opportunity that I don't want to miss out on. You take my love for granted. I just don't understand. Appreciate the love. I see the love. Yeah, man. Let's take this buy for. Yeah, after we swept, we definitely buying. So let me not hesitate on this opportunity here for you, Jay. Yep, I'm in some UJ buys. I'm in some UJ buys. For the next 12 to 15 hours, I definitely am looking forward to see if this buy will stick or not. That's pretty much it for me. I'm gonna put my stop loss right below the sweep. 149.16. I like that stop loss right there. 149.16. How many pips is that? Yeah, 17 pip stop loss. Not bad. Perfect. Perfect. Oh yeah, UJ. Talk to me nice. I swear, sometimes you gotta brave a few stop losses before the real setup happens. So update my let me update my channel real quick. book. You take my life for granted. All right, let me check back with. Here's my concern, right? You know how I said GJ could retrace back down lower? Uh, I'm not even sure if that's what they're gonna do because they could literally just use this area like 181.90 and just call it a day. So shoot, if they pull back at the 38.2, forget the sell, take the buy. All right, because 38.2 is an aggressive retracement area, and as far as the target areas, the previous day's highs, previous day London, definitely. Yeah, I'm gonna be up for London for sure, bro. I'm gonna be up for London for sure. And you know what I'm gonna do? You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna drop a Zoom link on my channel for London. All right, I might do it like an hour earlier. All right, so I promise you guys that. All right, so who gonna pull up? Who gonna pull up? Make sure you're following my. Make sure you're following my Hans Outlook channel. Appreciate you, Meg. You gonna pull up? Bet, bro. Yeah. Man, can I be honest with y'all? One of my biggest pet peeves for sure. Like I've learned to just be okay with it. It's cool. Like I'm not stressing. But when you knew the setup was gonna play out, but then they gave you a little you know what I'm saying? And then next thing you know, like the trade was called, but you didn't really get in the trade as anticipated. Boy, I tell you, that's definitely one of my. It's up there. It's definitely up there. Definitely up there. Hit you with a. Got you out here looking lost. And then it's crazy because like Euro USD is not doing that. You know what I'm saying? It is not doing that. You know what I'm saying? So y'all gotta be careful with these correlations, man. You gotta just look at the pair for what it is. Look at the pair for what it is, man. What's my channel? Alright, let me see if I could. So y'all gonna go to Fortunes Funding, and right under James Storms is Hans's Outlook. Hans Outlook. Alright, make sure you check that out. Alright. Let me do something. If you're on a YouTube live right now, react with the fire emoji. Yeah, let me ask y'all a question. What's your biggest pet peeve in trading? Yeah, you get into a buy twice and you know the setup about to play, but then they want to play games. I'm like, alright. I know I don't have unlimited capital, so I'm a chill, but it's not always easy to walk away. That's why. But you gotta walk away. You gotta do it for your account. It's kind of like when you have, some people have kids, or let's say you're a boxer, right? And somebody is taunting you, constantly just like bullying you, and you know you gotta be the bigger person. Be the bigger person. It's not easy, but be the bigger person for your account. Walk away. If you take a few attempts, it's not playing out, dog. It's not you. It's the market. Let me just say that to you. It's not you. It's the market, right? You know better setups, right? Okay. Don't get mad. You know what I'm saying? Like, just let it happen, man. Especially when you're in a funded challenge, right? You're like, bro, I got 2 days left, and it's like, bro, it's unlimited now. It's unlimited training days. I know you want to get to the bag, but it's not worth it. It's really not worth it. All right, so I just said, if you on YouTube live right now, react with the fire emoji. It's only 6 fires and 2 hearts. That's disrespect. Okay, all right. I see 8. Come on. I need to see who is on my live call, and also, like, I want to see who is subscribed to the YouTube, not YouTube, who subscribed to the Outlook channel. I need the clapping, the sound effect. Is Antoine still here? How did I not see this comment? Douglas, yo, what's up, my guy? Douglas is in here. What's up, bro? Yo, y'all need to check out Douglas's YouTube interview with myself. That joint is fire. Is it up already? Hold on. I might be tripping. Hold on. Let me see. Yo, you guys been watching the interviews or no? If you're not watching the interviews, dog, y'all making me sad. Make sure you guys take some time out to watch these interviews. I put my energy and my charisma in these interviews, and it's such a pleasure to meet you guys, man. It's such a dope community. So, don't sleep on these interviews, all right? They each have a different aspect to them. I try not to keep it monotone, like I make sure like I match with the energy of the of the guest. And it's been such a pleasure to like meet people from Indonesia, Kenya, Cameroon, South Africa. Shit, we got Nigerians living out in China, you know what I'm saying? Like it's dope. It's dope. Fortunes Funding Global. Don't get that twisted, man. Fortunes Funding Global. Yes, sir. I'm looking forward to that interview with you, my boy. Meg said definitely watch. Michael Desir. What's up, Mikey? Love you, bro. Who else is out here? Man, I gotta shout out my Haitians, man. Sac passe, Loens. J'ai béton là. Yes, sir. Neck PSL, yo. Big shout out, man. Oh, you liked the Alvis interview? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, that interview was dope, man. Isaiah said another pet peeve is when you know how it's gonna play out, but you go on the you go on the reserve lot size when you know you can do damage, boy. Oh, I hate that. I definitely hate that. Now you gotta be. Now you gotta be. You gotta be humble. Now you gotta play the humble lot size game. I'm like, man, I was ready to fuck you up, but it's all good. You know, I'm a chill. Shit be getting me. I'm like, you know, I came to do damage, right? But and you know that internal liquidity retracement, you just ain't feel too cool about it. So you had to slow it down. Yeah, you had to use your backup bullets. The rubber bullets instead of the hollow tip. I hate that. I hate that for sure. Mm. Instead of putting that fat 10 lot, you gotta put in the one. uh, oh man. Oh, Keem, what's up, bro? Damn, everybody here. Buvanesh said, I'm trying to subscribe, but it's showing no webhooks permission. Oh, really? That's what the webhook does. You learn something new every day. Uh, that's how you do that. Chukwudi. How far? Mr. Ezeokoli. Yo. That sound like a Yoruba demon. It's not letting you follow or react. Oh, okay, all right. Let me fix that up real quick then, guys. I got the permission. Okay, I got the permission. Allow members manage webhooks. Oh, that's what that means? Okay. I can allow members to create new invite to the server. No problem. Nope, you can't send messages here. Webhooks. I think that's what it was. Oh yeah, you can react. Read the message history. Oh, that's why. That's why. Allow members to use everyone. Oh wow, that's crazy. All right, I think we're good now. Perfect. Let me save changes. All right. So you said you couldn't react to this video and emotions, but how about now? Yo, Chikwudi said, "You're about demon. I'm an Igbo king, man. Stop playing with me." Alright. Okay. We gonna follow and see. Pull up your trade history. Let me see if that's true. I knew you was definitely around the way. It's good to make acquaintance, man. Shout out, bro. We are all children of God. Oh man. All right, cool guys. Try to react to the latest comment. I just changed some things, so you guys should be able to interact a little bit more. Please translate in English. Okay, so here's the joke. Woo! So the joke the joke is when you're Nigerian. All right, so when you're Nigerian, right? Or you're from West Africa. There's this joke where the ladies be saying like if you're from the tribe of, Yoruba or you're Igbo, the ladies be like based on how Nigerian men treat them and whatnot, Nigerian men be like, I'm a good guy, and so then they be like, oh, I'm a Yoruba angel, but then the women be like, nah, 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 these Nigerian men are some Yoruba demons. They're demons, they like to manipulate, and they like to flirt, and just be like real gentlemen, like be real charismatic. So that's what the inside joke is. All right, guys. So that's what it is. So just look at gold. Someone says you can't react. Yes, you can. Pull up the trade history. Yeah? Pull that up. So we did call gold for the sell. I chose not to chase the trade, but we knew this was gonna happen, right? So price did. Let's recap this trade, right? Price dropped, retraced. I tried to get in, but I didn't like the retracement, so I didn't get in. So let's be honest. Like if let's say I had entered right here at 1876, we probably would have been eating real good here because it did drop 150. I was anticipating that. I was, but it is what. Oh, Jaquel, dang, that's how you feel. Ah, man, no love for the Nigerian men. No shade though, huh? But guys, you don't have to be Nigerian to be a Yoruba demon. If you be manipulating these women out there, boy, you be blocking after you pull up on them. Had a great night, or you be flirting, but you're not going nowhere, misleading people. Yeah, you are Yoruba demon. You just didn't know it yet. All right, so that goes for you ladies too. If you out here just misleading people, there's a special place, a margin call place, a place where the stop loss don't stop hitting. That's the place for you. All right, so let's see if we can catch Nas's buy here. You know what I rep. Yo, funny girl. All right. Remember, I called the UJ buy as well. UJ is still sticking around. That's good. All right, I'm gonna attempt for Nas's buy on my other account, and I'm not gonna lie. It's 11:19. Good lord. I'll wait for a sweep. You know what? I'll wait for a sweep, bro. See if we could get a retest a little deeper, and then maybe I'll try and get in the buy later on. I don't want to. I don't want to get in something that's not super high quality. Damn, we've been here for 2 hours. It don't feel like it. Stop loss not hitting is crazy for sure. How many accounts do I have? Hey Siri, play a lot by J. Cole and 21 Savage. Alright. For so many reasons. You know it's crazy? I was supposed to be at Drake's concert tonight in Miami, but I had changed plans. Low key, this is not bad. I'm gonna go for it. Yeah, I'm gonna go for it, bro. Why not? Yeah. I'm gonna target um yesterday's afternoon order block and call it a day. Let me see. Yeah, 660. Look at him. Reaching yesterday's afternoon order block. Nice. That was a quick little scalp. Little 1-to-1. Oh, I did the giveaway already. Two people won, Meg. Meg, reach out to me. I need are you following me on Instagram? Meg might be a woman. You just never know. That's what we gotta find out. Meg. 15,000, Jaquel? Okay, Prophet. I know you and Nas is like this, so I gotta make sure I'm paying attention to that call right there, boy. 15,000. Sheesh. Yo. The queen has spoken. Oh shoot, okay. Alright, so let's see. Yep. There goes those buys. If my boy Melly Mel was here, he'd be like, man. Yep, after price sweeps liquidity, they're out of there. Sweep, break, retest. The retest was a little subtle. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed for sure. Uh-huh. And Euro USD. What are we doing? What are we doing? Okay. Ooh, this Pam is doing good. Yep, just like I said, EU is moving back to yesterday's Asia. Coño. Yesterday's London. And I'm sure this is the same thing for AU. Yep, moving back to yesterday's or the previous day's London. Let me see if that's what GU is doing. Up, GU. Alright, so we definitely have Thursday reversals, which is good because I already know how I'm coming for London. Oh. So they did not let the equities markets completely sell off. It is basically the end of the month. It's the end of the month. Oh, yikes. If we could get a retracement for indices later on, it'd be the perfect scenario. And at that point, yes, I would definitely see them going back to like 14,800, stuff like that. So let me pay attention to what's going on with tomorrow's anticipated news. Yo, we got no way. Oh Lord. Oh boy. Yo, guys. You know who's speaking in like 4 hours? Damn, Nas is ripping, bro. Y'all know who's speaking in 4 hours? Who's speaking in 4 hours, guys? Papa Pal. Woo! Oh, Lord. Uh-oh. So you know what that means. That joint might come with some powerful, powerful bullishness. This is a breaker structure for sure. And if we get some retracements later on in the afternoon, I definitely could see price pushing back up for like, yeah. And take out the liquidity of the week. Yeah, that's definitely a possibility. But damn, they pushing. Golly. Jerome. Good Lord. Ooh, Isaiah caught the buy at 15,505. God damn. Oh, you call that bit right here, cuz? Man, these Florida savages, I tell you. So basically, here's what happened, right? We started with this. God, yo! We started off sweeping for Nas. We broke the structure. Failure swung right here. And then this is where things got interesting. So then we got a sweep, a break and retest. And I almost underestimated this right here. Still got in the buy. And now we're taking off. US 30. We swept London like I expected. We broke and retested. And then my 1039, yeah. You definitely got reversals. And the crazy thing is, all this is liquidity. And the way Jerome might pull up and speak, we might see price go after Monday's highs right there. So, looking forward to see what happens. From New York, that's understood. Alright, so, guys, I think this is it for me. I think we definitely had a great live session. One for the books as always. I appreciate everybody. I'll talk to you guys soon. And yeah, look out for that London session Zoom link tonight. Alright? I'm going to be live. And I'm definitely going to be staying up until probably New York or something. I feel like I got to do it. Last Friday of the month. It could be some profitable setups. Alright? So, thank you so much, guys. Appreciate y'all back. Peace, love, and blessings. Sir Hans Felix signing out.